Alright, you know what time it is. Onward Bound. Alright, wish me luck. I hope it's good. Alright, we are out of here. Bye y'all, love you. Taste some of my smoke. Love you too. Oh, I'm in the ditch, am I not? Let me reset my camera. Okay, let me hold you for a second. There, I was going in the ditch, so I was having complications there. Alright. We'll get it eventually. Give it some gas, girl. Give it some gas. Alright, we're going. Finally. Alright. Bye! Love you! Alright, so we've gotten back on the road. I'm truly gonna miss my family. They are the awesome sauce. I just love them to death. So, alright, we are gonna head to San Marcos. And then we're gonna go to Austin from there, but we're gonna take a break in San Marcos so Terry can relax a little bit since her hip is still hurting her, or actually, I'm sorry, her sciatic. Alright. Oh, I'm supposed to just keep on going straight. I'm just gonna wait on them a little bit. They're kind of back there. Alright, we stopped at the gas station so I could fill up, clean my windows off. It's kind of tight in here. It's time to head on. Oh, I don't even think they're ready. Oh, it is hot in Texas today. I'm glad to be moving on.
Turn left onto Pecan Valley Drive.
Get up here in front of me, girl.
In 1,000
Around me.
turn left onto
I am.
East Ramp.
Thank you.
We're gonna have to stay in this lane because we gotta get back on 10. Come on, Scott and Terry, where are ya? Here's our turn right here to get back on 10. I guess we can wait for Scott and Terry.
All right.
We made it to San Marcos. There's a lot of traffic here, so I'm taking the back roads trying to avoid the traffic. We also took a different route. Normally we're supposed to go up 35, but it was slammed with traffic, so we kind of went around a little bit with 10 and then cut up. That's the way we took because there was hardly any traffic, which is good because we just passed 35 and it's pretty much backed up and moving very slowly. So glad we didn't take that way. It would have took us forever. Walmart is about 0.2 miles straight ahead and to the left. So we'll see you when we get there. We made it! We made it! This Walmart actually has entrance bars, which are 14 foot. So if you're over 14 foot, you can't get in this parking lot. It's mainly for semis. That way it prevents, because their parking lot's so small. If a semi tries to come in here, there might be problems. So they're on all exits and entrances. There is a 14 foot bar, entrance bar. So it doesn't allow anything over 14. Too hot, Moo-moo Nanny? I know, dang Texas weather. You'll be okay. Want some water? Here you go. Here's some water. Good girl.
Permission to fire up the rig. Over.
You're good to go. Fire it up and let's get on the road.
There's no park,
Over.
Dad. There's no park, huh?
I'm just saying, let's get to Austin and then we can get to the Walmart and then we can look around there and see what we're gonna do.
Because you want to go to the Walmart in Austin.
No, Home Depot. Anyways, we're getting ready to head to Wally World, I even said Wally World on my dang thing. We're getting ready to head to Austin. We're leaving Wally World now. We are here in San Marcos. We just been sitting around resting because the traffic was so bad. We didn't want to get it, and it was right around 6 o'clock. So it is now 7, and we are going to get on the road. Oh yeah, and hopefully no traffic. So yay, we are stuck in Austin traffic.
Well, I say we just keep driving until we can't drive anymore.
Roger.
It's doing okay right now.
So anyways, yeah, we're stuck in traffic. It's going, it's steady. It's not standstill, which is good. Well, I probably spoke too soon because looks like it's coming to a standstill now. But yeah, so I wanted to avoid this, so we waited till 7, but I guess there's no avoiding it. Unless you come through at midnight or something, or real late, or early in the morning.
Hey, let's stop in and see Alex Jones. He's from Austin.
Who's that?
You've never watched Alex Jones, Prison Planet?
Nope, can't say I have.
Big anti-government nut. Got a huge following.
Roger.
I watch him religiously.
So the walkie-talkies have been working really well.
Oh, hey, maybe we'll be going over the bridge right as the bats are flying out, so we'll just get a free show.
That's true, if it takes that long.
Fly him.
So anyways,
That's a thought.
we were gonna go see the bat viewing, or the bridge here where thousands of bats fly at, but there's not good parking, and there's one paid parking lot for it, and it's not that big. Not big enough for rigs. I did an overview and it just wasn't happening, so we changed our mind on that. We're gonna head up towards Dallas area and see how far we can get. I seriously doubt we'll get that far. I don't know, we might, but yeah, that's the direction we're going, is north towards Dallas, and we'll just see how far we get. All right, continue on this awful traffic. Enjoy the time lapse.
What we do here is go back.
So we just had a powwow with the tribe, and we figured out that I was going this route straight up to Dallas and then Oklahoma City and then cutting over on 40. The quickest route over to Colorado is to start going towards Abilene and Lubbock and up that way.
I want to go somewhere to eat.
Okay, all right. So we might go get something to eat. But the thing is that I've already seen everything up there. I thought they might want to see, and then Dane and them can meet us, and the family and Steve can meet us there. But they're not even done with Houston. We don't know when they're going to be done with Houston. So the best route is to just get out of Texas because it's getting really hot in Texas. And, you know, that's the thing about traveling. Sometimes plans change, but it's okay, you know. As long as we get to where we need to. And the main goal is Colorado. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hopefully we'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love y'all. Party here. We're going in to eat.